today we're going to be doing a quick review of the MiniTool PDF Editor 2.0. This software is great for modifying PDFs, creating new PDF documents, converting them to maybe Word or to images, splitting PDFs, removing PDF pages out of a certain PDF. I mean, it can do so many things. It has so many features. We're not going to go over all of them today, but I want to show you some examples. You can go to pdf.minitool.com. You can do the free download or upgrade to the pro version. Now, of course, the free version has some features and the pro version has other features, right? So you just want to see what you're going to need and then upgrade from there. But to go right into it, you can see some of the features are convert the PDF to a Word document, images, PowerPoint, even Excel, merging, splitting the PDFs, pressing them. So if you need to send them via email, you can press that PDF. I mean, there are so much, there's countless things it does. You can actually go to their full website to view their full feature list set here. And you can see, again, here, the free version and the pro version. You can see what's included and what's not. For example, converting the PDF to Word is not a feature that's in that free plan. But if you need that, you can always upgrade to the Word. So today I'm going to be showing you a couple PDF documents here we have on the desktop. So we're going to open these up so you can see what they are. These are just simple little documents that you say text on them. We've got an image in it, and we've got some more images in it, like a video, right? And I'm going to show you today how easy this software is. Let's say we want to put all these in order, right? This little pop-up, you can just drag and drop the PDF right in here. I mean, it's that simple. You can just start, start converting each one of these PDFs into a Word document. You also see on the left here, you have other options. So let's say you have a PDF document that might have a table in it. We can then convert that to an Excel document. I'll show you that here right after this. So while this is converting, we're going to let this go ahead and run its process. So it's going to take a couple minutes, of course, because we're trying to convert 3 documents at the same time. I love this because you can do so many at the same time, right? I can drag and drop, like 10 documents in here and just say, okay, convert all these to Word because I want to be able to edit this later. You can simply do that. So while those documents are still converting, I'm going to go ahead and let's say I want to edit that PDF on the fly, right? You can just click on Edit PDF. I'm going to choose that first PDF. Open. And let's say I want to insert some text here and maybe change the document to something else. Right? You can just do Insert Text, and it makes everything writable. So now I can just simply go in here and do this is great. And you can see it's keeping the same font as what we have there before, which is pretty awesome. I mean, we can adjust it, move the text wherever we want. It's very great that you can modify this PDF on the fly, so you don't even really need to convert it. You can actually just do it right on the fly within the MiniTool application here. So you can also do other things here. You can add links, you can crop things out. I mean, there's so many different tools and features. You can convert to OCR. So what that does is it's going to make the document searchable. So if we're going to go and click on OCR here, and it wants us to save that document, so we're going to hit save and click on apply. So now it's recognizing the document, all the text in that document, and it's going to make it OCR compatible. Okay, OCR has been completed, and now we can see that it saved that PDF to our desktop. So we're going to go and double click on that. So now this document will be OCR compatible, which is great. So we're going to close out of that, hit no to that. You can see conversion from our PDF to Word is now done. So let's go ahead and open up our Word document here that I just converted. Wow, this is gorgeous. It looks just like the PDF. So now you can go in here and type in, whatever you want. You can rename that to, a different title, which is pretty cool. You can modify the text here because everything's now in a Word document. It did a pretty good job. Now, and look at that, even the images are there. Now, in some cases, it might not convert everything 100%, but you can see everything is pretty much there. I mean, that did a pretty good job. So let's look at the other documents here, see how well those got converted. Those are more simpler, so they should be really no problem. And yeah, perfect. You can see we can write and make changes here, and it keeps the same font and the size and everything. Look at our last PDF that was converted. Yeah, even brought in the image for this PDF, and it converted everything just perfect. So let's go ahead and close out of this. Okay, so we just did that PDF to Word conversion. Now let's do a test that's got a PDF and maybe it's a table. So here's a PDF document that's got a bunch of table information, and you're like, hey, I want to export this to Excel so I can then modify this data, right? So let's go ahead and drag and drop that PDF just like we did with the PDF to Word. Hit on Start. It's going to go ahead and upload and process that document, convert it, save it right to your desktop. Wow, that was quick. And it's going to, look at that, it opened up right away to that Excel file, and now we can go in here and, modify this document now in Excel. So that's how you can convert a PDF document to Excel. So now I want to show you how we can merge a PDF. So we're going to click on Merge PDF. We get this nice pop-up here, and this is where you can also do split PDF, compress the PDF document as well. But we're going to go ahead and let's combine these. Let's just combine all 3 documents here. Combine all of them. Hit Start, and yep, that's fine. Let's hit Cancel that, and you can also see you can modify. Let's say you only want to do the first 2 pages in that document. You can change that right here on the fly, which is pretty cool. So let's go ahead and hit Start and click OK on that. That's fine. You can see it's processing those right now. So it looks like our merge already completed. So let's go to our desktop. You can see that it saved that PDF there, test merge document. Let's go ahead and open that up and see what that looks like. It should have merged all 3 documents. So you can see our first document was that newsletter. It should be document 1 after that. Yep, and there's that second document. And then that third test PDF here with the image in it. And you can see that can merge all those PDFs pretty quickly. That's a nice tool there. So let's see what else this software has for us. So you can see we can do compressed PDF. So let's go to that merged PDF and let's see how big this PDF really is. So that's 1.37 megabytes. So let's try to compress it. Let's see what it can compress down to. Let's hit Start. So you can also see before, I know I went pretty quick there, but the batch compress, you can do low, medium, high. So I would assume if you went high, if you have images in that PDF, it might be a little bit low res. So just keep that in mind. So it looks, wow, I already converted it. Wow, that was pretty, and look at the image quality. It's still pretty good. Wow. Let's go to the size for that. Look at that, 157 kilobits from what was it? 1.7 megabytes, I believe it was. Oh no, I'm sorry, 1.37 megabytes down to 156 kilobits. Oh my god, that compressed it amazingly, and you probably didn't lose that much. Let's see, and keep in mind that was on medium compression. Yeah, not much change as far as the images. I mean, everything looks pretty close. Can't really tell the difference, and it's like not even a quarter the size. It's so much less than that. That's amazing. So now let's do an example of, let's say we want to take this image and convert it to a PDF. So you can see we go to our Convert tab, Image to PDF. We just do that drag and drop again. And you can do other things to PDF, like if you have HTML documents, text documents to PDFs. There's so many options. So we hit Start. Look at that, I already brought it in to our window here. We can apply OCR, but since there's no text, we don't need to do that. And then we should be able to save this. So it looks like it already saved it to our desktop as soon as we did that. So you can see right here, digitalcamera.pdf. Let's go ahead and open that up and make sure it's viewing properly. Yep, look at that. And it brought that image right into a PDF document. So I want to show you encryption mode. So if we go to the Protect tab, open up our PDF and hit encryption. Now we can set a password to our document here and hit apply. And it's going to ask us for that password. And then now let's go ahead and close out of it and open up that PDF. And now you can see there's a password to open up that PDF. So if you want to send something maybe confidential to a client or something like that, you can also use this software to encrypt those PDFs, which is great. Of course, you want to do a little bit stronger password than what I set, but as you can see, it does work and it's pretty easy to do. I hope you guys give MiniTool PDF Editor a try. This software is very easy to use. We simply just installed it and we were off to the races. It was so easy just to drag and drop our PDF documents, converting them to Word, running OCR on them. You can do password encryption on the PDFs. There are just so many options and features with this software. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.